Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today we'll check out Bosch 12-volt combo kit with impact driver and pocket driver. Man, these drivers are not a joke, especially the impact driver. It is amazing. Let's check out some details and do some testing. Let's go. Welcome back. The combo kit comes with, of course, the documentation, SP41 impact driver, SP21 pocket driver, two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries with a 2 amp, one charger, two 1.5-inch bits, and carrying bag, which is nice. I've been using this kit for over a year now. It is nice and compact, reliable, great battery life, very happy with it. This 12-volt combo is perfect for small to medium tough jobs around the house. The Bosch 12-volt Max platform delivers power and performance with more compact size, lightweight, and user-friendly design. It is excellent when you're trying to get into tight spaces. PS21 pocket driver has 20+ clutch setting, which lets you adjust torque for precise screw driving. PS41, very impressive impact driver. This is what I use the most. I wonder how it's compared to other brands like Makita, Milwaukee. If you have any experience with any other brand, please let us know in the comment section below. The kit was very useful while replacing the furnace blower motor, especially when I was trying to take out of the blower motor from the furnace. There's not too much to complain about, but if I have to, then it will be that PS21 pocket driver does not have a battery light indicator, but as you saw, PS41 does, so I think we're all good. I'm sure if we missed something, please do let us know in the comment section. As always, we would love to hear from you. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.